The Biden administration is committed to replacing the government's entire fleet to electric vehicles to combat global warming. The administration will be switching over their entire federal fleet. The fleet will be switching from gas to electric. The shift to clean energy will be a net positive for jobs and the economy while reducing pollution. Take a look at our review that we compiled of some companies to watch. Here are some of the latest companies to watch that contribute to reducing of global warming caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, and other pollutants. This happens when certain gases in Earth's atmosphere trap heat which increase sea levels in the Earth's atmospheric and oceanic temperatures in frozen waters of the Arctic. Companies we are watching. SunPower Corporation resolves a key problem caused by global warming. SunPower Corporation is one of the companies that will benefit from global warming. The company sells crystalline silicon photovoltaic cells and solar panels based on an all-back contact solar cell invented at Stanford University. Renewable Partners operates renewable energy projects, with over 200 hydroelectric plants and 100 wind farms. New York-based Plug Power sells hydrogen fuel cell systems that replace conventional batteries in electric cars. Canadian Solar sells solar PV modules and operates major solar projects. The company has delivered around 52 gigawatts of solar modules to customers in 150 countries, as of the end of 2020. GM plans to exclusively offer electric cars by 2035. Tesla integrated renewable energy solutions for homes and businesses.